Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C63. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable front wipers, simply press the button located on the top of the lever slightly. It will enable mist mode. Then you will enable slow mode, fast mode, constant fast mode, and the fastest mode for the front wipers. To disable this function, set it to 0 position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.